West Coast now for days. Doesn't look like that's going to move very much. And it's not hard to pick out on the satellite picture. Take a look at this. See that? There it is, coming right in off the Pacific. Just this enormous river of air dragging moisture from the Pacific right up into Washington State and dumping the rain on the west side of the mountains. So where it hits the mountains, it squeezes the water out. Not much of it makes it to the other side, but there is a lot of moisture making its way inland from the Pacific and creating all those issues. Back here at home, we still have our own issues with wind coming out of the northwest, and a few snow showers are still left over for parts of Ohio. The middle of the state generally drying out, but we're going to have a few flurries, maybe a quick snow shower overnight tonight. Right now, Columbus itself, mostly dry. Now, if you walk outside right now, you will notice that it still feels very wet. There's a lot of moisture still in the air, but it's not actively precipitating as either rain or snow at the moment. 32 degrees is what the airport is reporting, but it feels like 21. Wind out of the northwest, sustained at 17 miles an hour, gusting closer to 25 or 30. These are your DR Horton America's Builder current conditions. We're all within about 4 or 5 degrees. So between about 34 and 28, it's going to feel, though, more like it's in the teens for a lot of places because of the wind. During the night tonight, a passing snow shower is not out of the question, but the bigger issue is that it's getting cold. And as we fall into the 20s, surfaces that are wet are likely to freeze. So that's where we get that icing problem. So the back step, if it hasn't been treated, or if your side street or sidewalk hasn't been treated, you may have some slick spots to deal with in the morning. Temperatures will fall through the upper 20s and will eventually get down to around 24 degrees for the overnight low. Scattered snow shower is possible, but it's the wind and the cold that are the bigger issues. Here's your joke tonight. This one's from Linda. What do you call it? Called cavemen who wander aimlessly. They're over there, and they're over there. Well, they are Neanderthals. They are wandering aimlessly.
Because they are meandering.
They are meandering. Here is the meandering forecast for tomorrow. There's not a lot going on. We may get a couple of flurries, quick snow shower, no accumulation happening on Thursday. But Friday is when we're watching this next system. This is going to bring some snow, mainly into southwestern and southern Ohio. But as this low tracks through Kentucky, a lot of the southern third of Ohio is going to get some snow. We can get a little bit as far north as Columbus, but most of it is going to stay to the south. Not going to get much here. We're going to end up maybe a trace, a few areas even a half inch, but most of it staying to the south. That's Friday morning. Tomorrow morning, we're just cloudy and 25 degrees. Watch for those slick spots first thing in the morning. And then you get that snow first thing Friday morning. We'll get another round Saturday night. That's one that could actually give us an inch or two. It's going to be a little hit or miss, and we're going to clean up the timing on that in the next couple of days. But for now, we do know we're going to get some snow Saturday night as well. 32 tomorrow. It's going to be a cloudy day with a bit of a breeze and a chance of a snow shower. The Friday morning snow likely to have accumulations to the south, but we'll be watching it closely. If that system shifts north a little bit, we could get some up here. Saturday night, some snow and overnight lows in the single digits this weekend.